Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very cool product. It's the Digoo DGMX10 and this is a Bluetooth speaker, a very small Bluetooth speaker that has some special features. And besides being small and being light, this thing is splash proof, waterproof, and it's intended to be used also, for example, in the bathroom. So if you splash this with water, it will not fail, and it's fully encased into a rubber shell applied over the plastic part of the speaker, and comes with this suction cup here, adapter, which you can use to fix this on a tile wall or something like that, on ceramics or glass or mirror or some other place where it will make a good suction. And it also has this screw mount here, and you can fix this everywhere else you need it to be fixed by using that. So you can, I don't know, fix this on your bike, for example, or something like that. So you can take this with you, and if rain catches you outdoor, it will not be a problem for it. Also on the rear here, it has the lining option, and you can plug this with a cable, and it's also protected with rubber, and this is a real pain to get off because it's holding it very tight. It creates a watertight seal, which is a good thing, but almost impossible to take out with my nails. So probably I need to use a tool for that. And there's a saying, use the force. So I am going to use the force. Hopefully I will not damage this cap, and it's out. And here you have the micro USB port and a regular audio port. So you don't actually need to use Bluetooth to connect to this. If you have something that doesn't have Bluetooth but want to use this, you can use that jack over there. Right, so the goodies don't end here actually, and the nicest part about it, it's written here in the manual, and it says here that this thing uses a technology called true wireless stereo. So what's that about? Well, that is the fact that if you have a second speaker which is identical, it's the same model, you can actually bind one speaker to the other, and they will become visible to your mobile phone as a single speaker, but actually the sound from the mobile phone is transmitted through Bluetooth to the master speaker, while the master speaker decodes the signal into stereo and splits it into left channel and right channel, and it's true wireless stereo Bluetooth speaker system. And let's also do a quick test. So I'm going to power them both up by holding the power button. Right, and they will connect between them. It's a confirmation that now they are connected, and it's now connected. And the speaker is very smart. It even shows the battery level. It reports it to your mobile phone, and you know when to charge it. Of course, this is only for the master speaker because the slave speaker is connected to the master, so you cannot check that. But if you charge them both together, they will run the same amount of time, so it's not a big issue. And now I'm going to start the track. It's a copyright-free track, hopefully, so this video will not get blocked by YouTube. And as you can see, I don't know if you can hear them okay on this video, but you can see they have immensely powerful low frequency reproduction, so the bass of these speakers, it's amazing for their size. It's simply breathtaking. It's an exaggeration, of course, because they are not professional speakers, but for their size it's simply amazing. They jump off the table, they vibrate the table, they vibrate everything here around, so truly nice for how small they are and how good they sound without having any kind of distortions or bassing. So they sound very good for the low frequencies, also the mid frequencies, and even high frequencies are heard very well from this type of models. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video at least as much I have enjoyed testing these speakers, which I simply find amazing, and they keep impressing me with their tone and their quality, and also the build quality. I really like very much how they are made. And let's see, can I take them out of this rubber cover here? Let's test that also. Is it glued? Is it fixed? No, but you need a lot of power to actually try to get this off, as it has a fixation point around here which keeps the rubber inside, and it also goes around that. So this protects the buttons from water entering inside, it keeps them waterproof. And it has an LED here, and here I think that it also has a microphone, and you might use this as a Bluetooth speaker. For instance, you can take this in your car and use it as a hands-free system if you want to. So you get the best out of multiple devices just by using one or two of these type of speakers. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this, and until my next review, see you and bye bye.